DENPA man! Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna play the DENPA man. Once again, oh crap, I still have the Mori open. One sec. Alright, let's just set this up. A Mori video coming soon, I promise. Oh, wait. So yeah, subscribe to the video to see the Amori review when it comes out. And like the video to see Squidward. I bought it, I haven't played it yet. I'll either play it on camera or I will play it while I'm in my bed, winding down for the night. Where is it, bro? Where was the last time I played it? Oh my god! Wait, hold on. Just, like, short filter. My time last played. Oh my god! I played Sky Children of the Lights before I played DENPA man. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, we got it! Start. Oh, wait, okay, never mind. That was quick. I hate how they made it so that this game has 7 internet connection. Dude, this game feels like... It almost doesn't feel like a DENPA man. A fishing challenge? Do we want to try the fishing challenge? No. Where were we? Hot Spring Village? Let's try the fishing challenge. We'll do the fishing challenge. We'll do the fishing challenge. Alright, we're back. Sorry, I had to grab my water. Okay. What's up, dude? Is this your first time fishing? The fishing rod and bait needed for fishing can be equipped in fishing from the party menu. Oh, I have fishing rod? Okay. Alright, I vibe with this new feature. So where do I go for the fishing? Dude, the camera is always so shaky whenever... Oh. Never mind, I don't want to go to the fishing shop, I wanna... Let me register. Yes. River. 6 minnows. Alright. Okay, bro. What? I wish you could run in this game. Oh, okay. Is this like Animal Crossing fishing? That's the only fishing I've ever done. What? I've never fished before. I've never been fishing IRL either. Oh, I gotta press the buttons, I think. I don't... Shoot! Dude! Oh, you're kidding me, my battery's low. I don't really plan on doing a huge video anyway, but still, that kind of sucks. Fish! It is kind of just Animal Crossing fishing. Okay. It's Animal Crossing fishing, but worse. That's it. Screw this. I'm done. We're leaving. I'd rather jump to volcano. Oh, okay. Grandpa is dumb, little child. Wait. What's in that chest? Feel free to use. Let's go. I don't want to do this anymore. Yeah, stop that shit. Dude, what did we do? They're so happy, but like... Okay, dude. Wait, yes. Hot Spring Village. How long should this take? None of them level 5? Alright. What do I need to do? I need to go beat the boss, right? Let me just, like, montage this again. I'm not sure if I have to montage it. I'm gonna record this, and then if I can't montage it, I'll just, like, cut this footage. Alright. Hello, I'm Ash. You're going to see someone do something very stupid at this moment in time. Why does he look like an egg? Hold on, I'll take a screenshot and show you guys. How did I not get him? Shut right on him. Come on, boy. There's one named Spencer. I want to get Spencer. Let's go! Cherish? What is Weak Flash? Hold on. These guys just have the weirdest faces. Like, you look like a cat. Come here, you little furry. Hold on. Are there more around? Yeah, all around here. Are there any with antennas? No, there are, like, none with antennas. Hello, Christopher. Come back here. Come back here. I'm having a great time right now. Y'all can go focus on the actual game. I'm having a lot of fun. I'm gonna cut so much of this footage. Oh my god. Like, no one's gonna watch this. And that's why I get to be unhinged. Nope, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Bro. Alright. Stop school. So he's gonna build a decoration store? That's cool. I have a ton of videos to stitch together. Oh my god. So many. What language is that? Is that actually Japanese? I don't think it is. As someone who's learning Japanese through the little green bird, I don't recognize any of that. Big man, powerful man. Oh. I mean, I guess, like... I love bro just holding a giant house. Maybe that'll be the thumbnail. Coda holds a house in the DENPA men. Did it just say grab? I love bro casually picking up a... Oh my god, you can just pick up building. Okay, bro. Okay. This is the funniest thing. Yeah. How do you do this? What do you mean you don't just grab a house and pick it up? I disagree. I guess it's part of the customization and it's kind of cool, but I just find it funny that they went, how do we get this series back? Let him pick up a house. I like the new main character. I think he's very fun. I think he could be better. I think I broke the shop. No. Where's the shop? Did I put the shop away? I could just put the shop in my pocket. Can I put the antenna tower away? Oh, I'm having fun with this. So I just casually have a giant tower with this now. Okay. I do want to test out the new features. It said something about a new feature. Okay. So, how do we go in? There we go. Okay, you just walk into it. Normal catch. Oh, I gotta move. Oh, I can toggle on and off gyro controls. Hold on, I'll try with gyro controls. Okay, so we'll try and see if we can montage that. Burn up, more burn up. I want to defeat this fox thing, the gay fox. Yeah. The English translation is kind of like, it's make the magma boiling. Yeah, it's just like, it doesn't feel like it was made for an English audience. It feels kind of like it was just made for Japan and then translated, you know? Hold on, cause, for the sake... No, wait. No! Do you have golden key? I don't have a golden key, so I can't heal. You're level 10. Alright. You suck, by the way. I just want to let her know. Okay. So... Attack you. I've gotten a bit more strategized ever since, ever since I had to play Omori, I've learned to strategize a bit more. Nope. Okay. I didn't mean to do that. Thank you. Alright, Fallen Rock. Boom. Oh. Why Jonas today? Dude, all day, all playthrough today, like, I'm not sure if you saw it, in the montage, Jonas was the only one getting attacked, dude. Dude! It's because Jonas is strong. Falling Rock. Static that red flapper. It's annoying. You, small heal. Ooh. And then the rest of you go for it. No, don't do that. I wish I had a water person on my team. Oh, this sucks. Alright, come on. Let's go. Okay, you're gonna heal yourself. And then I guess the rest of you go for it. Oh! Thank you for defeating the flapper. Falling rock. Right. Heal yourself. Oh. Hey. And all of them are burned? Oh, this is incredibly bad. Falling rock. I mean, we can still, like... Do I have any items that can help with burns? No, I don't. So... I really just gotta defend. Marcel, you might have to take one for the team. Okay, never mind. Okay, so... Dude. No! No! Don't revive Marcel. Is there anyone that needs to be healed? No, you're gonna defend right now. You still have static, so you're still worth something. Thumbnail. Okay, no. No! I'm gonna kill this fox. I'm gonna kill this fox. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Marcel heal. No! Wait! Yes! Let's go! Oh! Oh my god, I spent like, what, 2 videos trying to beat that damn fox and it finally died? We killed a fox, people! Alright. Don't make selfish wishes. Okay, well, do I do another mission now? I mean, it's only been like, what, 8 minutes? I'm not making an 8-minute video. I mean... Oh no, maybe we just fish today? This could be like the filler episode of the series. Warp leading to the village, alright. Hello, old man. I stopped them. That was me. So wait, hold on. I just want to check something real quick. Equip. Cloud this flame. That means you have burn resistance. Yeah, I thought so. Dude, thank God Marcel attacked. Oh my god. I told him, like, no, don't. And he was like, yes. I think I have to go in here? No. Who do I have to talk to? Is it you? No. It was you! No, it wasn't. Who's the man I had to talk to? Is it you? Yes, it's you. Build my house? Oh, crap! Hey! I got a house in the DENPA, man. I liked you. Please rise for your new DENPA members. Hold on. Come on. Dude, my camera is so scuffed. Okay. We have Light Yagami from Death Note. Ugh. Hold on, wait. You're the light. You're the light of. Oh. You're the light. You're the light. He is a light bulb. You're the light. That is Japanese. He just said konnichiwa. I can greet people properly. Konnichiwa. Yeah. Come on, Spencer. That's Spencer. What are you? Cherish. I don't cherish you. I don't cherish you. I don't cherish you. I don't cherish you, and then he does a little happy dance. All of these DENPA men have problems with their family. Did bro just say, are you scared of ghosts? I will help you? No. You were the only one with an antenna, and you've ruined. Ugh! I can't get over the little dance they do. Their legs just look so wrong when they do it. They have like jelly bodies. Come on, Chuck. Come on, Chuck. Let's go, Chuck. I'm shy. His name is Christopher. Well, who am I to say no to a face like that? Vernon. I'm so far off the rails. Go ahead. You look like an Among Us. No. All of them are just Among Us characters, though. Alright, let's go look in this DENPA Men house thing. Alright, can I swap out my party? Oh, what? Wait. They added 2 people to my party. I can hold... What? Hold up. Hold up. What? Whoa. Okay. Howard, Light, Yagami, we're not having you in. We're gonna take... Tim... I think you could take a total of 8 at one point. Elisa, and Tim. Because you guys have Scare and Awaken. Howard, Light... I'm sorry, not today. Wait, hold on, there was one more with... I only have so many with these guys. Tristan has small paralyze. I don't think I need Awaken right now, honestly. He is the more normal looking face, but Tristan over here has small paralyze, so... Hey, look at our little friend train. Come with me, and you will see. Alright. By the way, did you find out anything about the legendary equipment? No. I don't... Honestly, I just want to go, like... we gotta do it. Hold on. Let me equip you guys. I'm gonna take your power bracelet back. I'm gonna remove it. Sorry, dude. Everyone can have one piece of equipment. Power bracelet. Ew, I don't like your face. Fire bracelet. Fire bracelet. Okay. Hold on, did that register? Okay, it did. We're gonna use all of these for the thumbnail, boy! Alright. I feel like... I don't know. I don't think we gotta do anything this episode. I'm glad you got a nice house. Okay. Acquired an unusual neck ornament. Jewel mines. Okay, I guess we're going to jewel mines. Hold on, let me check the little shop first. Is this the decoration shop? I buy unwanted items. I want my items. Why are there knights back there? Oh, okay. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff here. Do I not have these? Alright. I'll buy that for someone. Alright, I guess. Who can I equip that onto? I'm gonna say it right now. Marcel is my favorite on the team. Jonas is getting somewhere. I guess we'll take a look around the jewel mines. We got some time. I don't want to end this video super early with, like, no content in it. Was this the place that was in the trailer? Jewel mines. So, let's just go look around the town for a bit while we have some time. You say you're freezing, and then there are two naked people following you, and everyone else is in a tank top. You're fine. You're one of the only ones here with a shirt. A jewel is more valuable for gold. I got a kettle. There's so many good thumbnail ideas. I think I'm gonna save the team, like the full team, for when I get the last two people on my team, and then we'll do like a team thumbnail. Whoa! Another stupid came all over the place trying to steal my jewels. Well, maybe I was trapped. I wanna go back. I don't like it. Just jump. Get on that log, jump on here, and then walk. Oh my god. What's that? I mean, do any of us have burning? No, we don't. Does electricity... No. Hello. Fire. We can melt them with fire. Here, where's all of the enemies? Okay, so... Alright. Alright, we got a little bit of a look. but it's looking around like 15 minutes now. We're gonna end this here. I'm just gonna like call this the DENPA Men filler episode. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye now. Bye. I like pizza. Hi guys, it's post-video Ash here. I just wanted to say I'm sorry that this video wasn't as heavily edited as my other videos have been recently. I just am really tired recently, and I don't think I'll be able to get the video out if I had to edit it this week. So here's what you got. I'm sorry. I promise the next video will be edited. I just was not going to get it out this week if I did not edit it. Thank you guys for being understanding.